Welcome to my kitchen. Come sing A to Z. We'll bake and stir together. So much fun you'll see. A is for apron, tie it nice and snug. B is for bowl, give it a friendly hug. C is for cookie, chewy and sweet. D is for dough that we roll to eat. E is for eggs, crack, crack, crack. F is for flour, white like a snack. G is for gloves, to keep hands clean. H is for honey, golden sheen. I is for icing, smooth and neat. J is for jam, so fruity and sweet. K is for knife, careful when we spread. L is for ladle, soup time ahead. M is for mixer, spin, spin, spin. N is for napkin, wipe your chin. O is for oven, nice and warm. P is for pie, fresh from the farm. Q is for quiche, cheesy delight. R is for rolling pin, roll just right. S is for spoon to stir our cake. T is for timer, ding, it's bake, bake, bake. U is for utensils, all in a row. V is for vanilla, flavor we know. W is for whisk, swirl it around. X is for extra yummy, best taste in town. Y is for yeast, watch bread rise. Z is for zest, citrus surprise. We sang our ABCs, we mixed and baked with glee. In the Rainbow Wiggles kitchen, learning sweet